David, thank you. Families are finding closure because a group of investigators are solving murder cases several years old.
1 year ago, the Hamilton County District Attorney started up a cold case unit. And tonight, one more family may be closer to finding answers that have been decades in the making. 23 years later, Thelma Collier says she still cannot get over the murder of her husband, Leonard.
A kind person. Almost like Reggie.
Reggie she speaks of is Reggie White, the UT football and NFL great. She says the so-called Minister of Defense loved his stepfather deeply.
I don't see who would want to kill him, because he would do anything for anybody.
In fact, police believe Collier had been helping someone when he was beaten to death. His body was found in his car outside the St. Elmo Rec Center just before Christmas 1992. He'd been delivering holiday presents. $1,000 had been stolen from him.
And I told him to go head on. If I had been with him, maybe it would have been me too. I don't know.
Those questions have haunted Thelma Collier for years, even after Reggie's passing 11 years ago. She says police stopped updating her about her husband's murder.
I think that's one of the reasons I've been sick so much. You know. And then I said, you got to straighten up.
Mrs. Collier says when the new Hamilton County Cold Case Unit contacted her about new investigative techniques and technology, she knew she had to be strong.
This is pretty typical for us to come meet with a family member like Miss Collier and tell her what we're doing and explain the new process that's going on.
As she goes through pictures, Mrs. Collier is hoping that new technology can help give closure and that somebody out there somewhere knows something about her husband's murder.
Please talk with the detective, the cold case, because this is something that needs to be done and to clear my mind of what happened to him.
If you have any information about Leonard Collier's murder or any of the unsolved murders in Hamilton County, investigators with the DA's Cold Case Unit want to hear from you at the number you'll find at this story at NewsChannel9.com.